Hey EV fans, it's Adir from EV Sportline, Team 1 EV, and I'm very excited to present to you this beautiful R1T that we just completed at our Van Nuys Service Center. Let's start off with the exterior. This car came to us in the factory gray paint. We went ahead and applied Xpel Stealth on the exterior for a satin finish and for added paint protection. Looks really good on this car, gives it a very sleek, sexy vibe. And I think that this almost looks better than the factory gray paint. Let us know down in the comments what you think of the Xpel Stealth paint protection film on this car. And this is one of the various custom services that we offer here at our Van Nuys facility, where we customize cars like the R1T and many other EVs on a daily basis. Now let's move on to the wheels. These are our R500 Directional Aero wheels. One-piece forged that we machine locally at our facilities in Los Angeles. We have the brushed finish on the outer edge and the rest of the wheel finished in a beautiful matte bronze color, which is a great complement to the satin gray from the Xpel Stealth on this car. We'd love to hear your feedback down in the comments on this combination. The R500 wheels finished in diamond matte bronze with the Xpel Stealth on the factory gray paint. Stay tuned because we have many more great videos coming your way soon.